Good morning students, this is As Mohammad Khan from SKM Public School. I welcome you in today's segment. In today's segment student, we will discuss uniform circular motion. In our daily life, we observe this motion. When you observe, when an athlete is running in a circular track, when moon moves around the earth, when hand of the clock moves in 12 hours or 60 seconds to them. So these are the different examples of uniform circular motion. Now what is uniform circular motion, student? Uniform circular motion is the motion, student, in which an object moves in a circular path with particular distance in a particular time. So the motion in which an object covers equal distance in equal interval of time in a circular path, that motion is known as uniform circular motion. And uniform circular motion is the motion, student, that our earth also have, due to which we have one year. Means our earth revolves around the sun in a year, student, and in this year there are 365 and 1/4 days. Like this, if we tie a stone with a thread, student, and if we move that thread like this in this way, in that the stone will also have which type of motion? It is uniform circular motion. And student, the satellites that we have on the earth, around the earth, student, all these artificial satellites are also moved around the earth with uniform circular motion. That's why we can say that the uniform circular motion plays very important role in our life, because we are getting the years with the help of this, and with the help of this we are also getting the different seasons, student. Like we can observe the time in the clock by the motion of the hand of the clocks, and those hand of clocks are also have the motion is uniform, student. So uniform circular motion plays very important role. Now at the time of uniform circular motion, all the objects move in a circular path. Like this is a circular path. This is the center point. This is the center point. So the object moves in the circular. This is the object. And this object moves in a circular path. And in the circular path, it also changes its direction. Time to time the direction is changed, and the speed that is used in the case of uniform circular motion, that speed is known as uniform speed. And in this, what is the formula of the speed, student? It is distance upon time. In the case of the uniform circular motion, the distance is the circumference of circular path. And according to mathematics, that circumference we get with the help of one formula. And what is it, student? It is 2 pi r. And what is time? Time taken, and time is represented by small t. So uniform speed formula is V is equal to 2 pi r upon t. 2 pi r upon t. So with the help of this we can get the uniform speed in a circular path. In a circular path, the uniform speed is obtained by a formula, and what is it? It is 2 pi r upon t, and this formula you will use. And what is the value of pi, student? What is it? In the fraction it is 22 upon 7, and in the points it is 3.14. And what is r here? This r is here, there is this. This is the radius. This is the radius at the circular track L. This radius. So if we know about the radius and the time, then we can easily get the speed in case of uniform circular motion, student. So it is about the uniform circular motion. And how is it important? We are getting the differentiation due to this. We are doing our exercise in a circular track with the help of this, and we move a tight stone around our head like this with the help of uniform circular motion. Satellites move around the earth with the help of uniform circular motion. So these are some examples of the uniform circular motion. Now you will write this important topic in your notebook, and you will also try to solve the numericals related to this formula, that is 2 pi r upon t. And it is the formula of uniform speed in case of circular path. So it is about the uniform circular motion. Now we have covered this chapter completely, and now you will do these all topics in your notebook in a neat and clean handwriting. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.